Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are in a lockdown and salons are closed, so it is very hard to get waxing as per regular schedule. And at home waxing is very much sticky and messy, and I wanted to get rid of it. So I decided to purchase an epilator. And after a long research, I decided to purchase a brown epilator, and I purchased this brown 7561 silk epilator. These epilators are basically categorized as basic and premium and high-end models. So this is in the middle, this is the premium model, and this comes with these 8 extra attachments along with it. So I'm going to show it to you in this video, so stay tuned. And hey, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Sakhi. Consider subscribing right down below. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the epilator body. This one has a battery here. It goes around for one and a half hour, and it is sufficient for your whole leg, arms and underarms epilation at once. Now this one is wet and dry epilator. In short, it is waterproof. You can use this in shower as well. And it has this light, and this is the switch. When you turn on the switch, this light turns on. Now this has these caps which are removable, and this one is the epilator head. This has 40 tweezers and it rotates and tweezes your hair. Now about the attachments, this are the small attachments, and these are 4 attachments. The first one is this massager cap. This one has a balls all around its periphery, and when you epilate, it massages your skin and soothes your skin. The next cap is this efficiency cap. This cap guides hair to the epilator, and this it efficiently removes your hair. And this one also has a larger opening, so it will epilate the hair much more faster. The next one is this face cap. This one has a very small opening, so when you fit it on this one has only 1 to 2 tweezers which will come in the contact of the skin. So this is just for the upper lips or the small hairs here, so you can epilate with this one. The next one is this sensitive area cap. For the sensitive areas, they provided this cap which limits the number of tweezers which will come in contact with the skin, and this it will be much more less painful than the actual efficiency cap or the massager cap. Now this one is the epilator head, and it also comes with this trimmer head attachment. So there is a button at the back. When you press this button, this cap comes out, and you can fit this trimmer cap here, and this is your trimmer. Now you can also use this as a safety cap, and you can adjust the length as per your need. So this is your trimmer and epilator. The next extra it comes with is this bikini styler. This one is a trimmer, and it is separately operated by a battery, so you can use it as a bikini trimmer. For other extra accessories, it comes with this small cleaning brush, a charger and a travel size pouch. So that is whole what is in the box. Now let's go back to the epilator. Now if you ask me, does epilation hurt? Soon as you Google epilator, there are certain reviews saying that it hurts very much, don't buy it and other things. And some reviews are, no, it's very good. So I was pretty much confused, but still I went for this. And if you buy a basic epilator, probably it will hurt. But about this, I'm not going to lie to you, it hurts at the first time. At the first time when you are using this wide epilation head, it hurts. So as it was my first time, I first decided to go with this sensitive area cap. Now this sensitive area cap has much less tweezers on its head, so it's very easy to epilate. Now when you are starting to epilate, you are really using this light which is guiding, and you are just going to the direction of hair. So I once or twice use this cap, and then when I get used to the technique of epilation, then I use these bigger heads, and then it was really not that painful. If you have a very sensitive skin, then it might hurt a bit. But if you have a normal skin and you are probably waxing for years and your hair has become very thin, then this will not hurt at all. But for those people who have a thick hair and strong roots, then it might hurt. With my opinion, getting rid of all the mess and stickiness, this is really good option. And I don't have to worry about the in between days, or you have to get this perfect length to do waxing. So this does not happen with that. Even with 1 mm or 2 mm of hair length is sufficient for the epilation. So that is the plus point. And you really don't need to set time apart and sit for this. You can just do it in the shower also. So that is the really great thing. And I really love this epilator, and I'll really suggest you buying this epilator because I really loved it. Now let's see the pros and cons of this epilator. So let's start with the pros first. First one is it's wet and dry, that you can use it in shower. You avoid all the mess and stickiness. It is very effective in removing all the hair in very short amount of time. And it is cordless, so you can use it anywhere you want. Now, some of the cons which I found are you need to get used to the technique before epilating it with the full efficiency. Till that, you will feel some pain, and this product can be painful for some people who have extremely sensitive skin or they have very thick hair. So these are the cons according to my opinion. But overall, this is a very good product and I absolutely loved it. So with that said, this is the end of the video. Do tell me what you feel about this video, and do like this video and comment down below, and do subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye.